Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. I am using AI to help me deliver the tax code updates for the tax year 2024-25. However, all information is verified and correct. The IRS recently introduced a series of tax code changes that could impact what you owe or save in 2025. These updates, ranging from expanded deductions to increased health savings limits, aim to ease financial strain and counter inflation. The changes include benefits for areas like adoption, commuting, and foreign income, with some boosts in transportation allowances for those in high-cost cities and more flexible medical savings options for families. High earners and those planning to leave an inheritance should pay close attention to adjustments in the alternative minimum tax, or AMT, and estate taxes. Meanwhile, middle-income families can expect direct benefits from the standard deduction increase and a boost in the earned income tax credit. In total, the IRS revealed over 60 updates for the upcoming tax year. Here, we'll highlight 8 of the most significant. Their impact on you will depend on your income, financial status, and tax strategy. As always, consulting a tax professional is wise to make the most of these changes. Remember, these updates apply to the 2025 tax year. Standard deduction increase. Almost all American tax filers will benefit from a higher standard deduction. For the roughly 90% who don't itemize deductions, this increase means more cash to help counter inflation. Single taxpayers can now deduct $15,000, a $400 increase from 2024. Married couples filing jointly get a bump to $30,000, while heads of households can claim $22,500. This increase could lower taxes, especially for those who don't itemize. Middle-income earners will also appreciate that the AMT exemption, meant to ensure high earners pay a minimum tax, has increased to $88,100 for individuals and $137,000 for joint filers. While modest, this increase could exempt some middle-income earners from the AMT, resulting in tax savings. For those who've received a raise, the IRS has adjusted income tax brackets to reflect higher wages. In 2025, the top 37% tax rate applies to singles earning over $626,350 and married couples earning over $751,600, up from $609,350 the previous year. Other bracket adjustments may allow some households to fall into lower tax brackets, potentially reducing their tax bills. Commuter benefits and health savings. Millions of American workers commuting again may find the IRS's increased monthly allowance for transportation and parking, now at $325. Especially helpful in cities with high transportation costs. The IRS also raised the Health Flexible Spending Account, or FSA, contribution limit to $3,300, with a carryover maximum of $660. This change allows employees to save more pre-tax for medical expenses, helping offset healthcare costs. For Americans working abroad, the foreign earned income exclusion will rise to $130,000 in 2025, up from $126,500. This change helps U.S. citizens abroad by reducing taxable income and avoiding double taxation. Family-friendly tax provisions. In 2025, the Earned Income Tax Credit, or EITC, for low to moderate income families with 3 or more children increases to $8,046, providing a boost as living costs rise. Higher earners planning to pass on wealth can benefit from the increased estate tax exclusion, now at $13.99 million. This change may allow high net worth individuals to shield more assets from estate taxes. The IRS also raised the maximum adoption credit to $17,280, up from $16,810. This increase helps adoptive parents cover qualified expenses, easing the financial burden associated with adoption. You can place your tax questions in the comment section. Please do not include personal information in the comment section. Provide the basic details for your questions without providing personal information.